Hello, I'm Isabella, and today I want to show you how to trade Forex like a pro, walking you through every step with practical tips and insights so you feel confident and ready to succeed. Imagine yourself waking up each morning with a clear trading plan, knowing exactly which currency pairs to focus on, understanding how to read charts, and managing your risk like a seasoned professional. That sense of calm and control comes from mastering a few essential principles that I am about to share with you in this conversation. First, let us talk about mindset, because trading Forex is as much a psychological game as it is a technical one. Professional traders know that fear and greed can cloud decision making and lead to mistakes. To overcome this, start by setting realistic expectations. Understand that losses are part of the journey, not a sign of failure. Embrace a growth mindset. Every trade is an opportunity to learn and improve. Before you place your first trade each day, take a moment to breathe, visualize success, and remind yourself that you have a plan. This simple mental preparation helps you stay calm when the market moves against you and prevents impulsive decisions that can hurt your account. Now let us dive into the foundation of your trading structure. A solid trading plan. A plan outlines your goals, strategy, risk management rules, and review process. Begin by defining your objectives. Do you aim to grow your account by a certain percentage each month? Are you interested in short-term scalping or longer-term swing trades? By setting clear, measurable goals, you can tailor your approach and avoid distractions. Next, choose a strategy that fits your personality and lifestyle. If you prefer fast-paced environments, you might explore scalping or one-minute charts. If you enjoy more time to analyze and make decisions, consider swing trading on 4-hour charts. Whatever you choose, commit to learning and practicing that approach until you master it. Technical analysis is the next pillar of professional Forex trading. It involves reading price action through charts and indicators. Start with the basics: support and resistance levels. These are price zones where currency pairs tend to reverse or stall. Mark them on your chart to identify potential entry and exit points. Next, study trend lines and chart patterns, such as triangles, head and shoulders, and double tops or bottoms. These patterns reveal market psychology and can signal upcoming moves. To refine your timing, incorporate a few key indicators: moving averages to gauge trend direction, the relative strength index to spot overbought or oversold conditions, and the average true range to measure volatility. Remember not to overload your chart with indicators. A cluttered screen leads to confusion. Instead, choose 2 or 3 that complement your strategy and help you make clear decisions. Fundamental analysis plays an equally important role for a professional trader. While technicals show you what the market is doing, fundamentals explain why. Economic calendars are your best friend here. Keep track of major news events like interest rate decisions, inflation reports, and employment data releases. These events often spark significant price movements in currency pairs. When preparing for a news release, decide whether you want to trade the announcement or avoid it. Trading news requires quick reflexes and tight risk controls, while stepping aside can protect you from unpredictable spikes. Whichever you choose, mark those dates on your calendar and plan accordingly. Risk management is what separates pros from amateurs. No strategy will work consistently without proper risk controls. A common rule is to never risk more than 1% of your account balance on a single trade. This way, a losing streak of 10 consecutive trades will only draw down your account by 10%, leaving plenty of room to recover. To apply this rule, calculate your position size based on the distance between your entry and stop loss. If you risk 50 pips and your 1% risk equates to $100, adjust your lot size so that 50 pips equal $100. Always place a stop-loss order before entering a trade, and consider using a trailing stop to lock in profits as the market moves in your favor. An often overlooked but vital aspect of pro trading is journaling your trades. A trading journal is a detailed record of every trade you take, including entry and exit points, position size, profit or loss, and your emotional state at the time. Review your journal weekly to identify patterns in your performance. Are you consistently losing when you trade during a certain time of day? Do you let winning trades run but cut losses too quickly? These insights allow you to fine-tune your strategy and improve your decision-making over time. Now let us talk about execution and the tools you need. Choose a reliable trading platform that offers fast order execution and advanced charting capabilities. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are popular choices, but there are many alternatives with user-friendly interfaces. Ensure your broker is regulated and offers competitive spreads on the currency pairs you trade. Spread costs can eat into your profits, especially if you are a high-frequency trader. Always test your broker's execution speed and slippage in a demo account before going live. Diversification is another key to trading like a pro. Rather than focusing on a single currency pair, build a watch list of pairs that correlate differently. For example, trade the euro against the US dollar and the British pound against the US dollar to spread your risk. Avoid highly correlated pairs that move in tandem, or you will effectively double your exposure to the same market moves. Diversification helps smooth out your equity curve and reduces the emotional impact of one big trade. Let us not forget about continuous learning. The Forex market is dynamic, and strategies that work today may lose effectiveness tomorrow. Dedicate time each week to study new techniques, read market analysis from reputable sources, and participate in trading communities. Webinars, podcasts, and books by experienced traders are invaluable resources, but be selective. Avoid chasing every shiny new indicator or system. Focus on deepening your understanding of proven concepts and refining your own unique approach. Embrace patience and discipline because consistency beats occasional windfalls. A pro trader does not get rich overnight. Instead, they compound small, steady gains over months and years. Stick to your plan through drawdowns, follow your risk rules, and never let a single trade define your confidence. Celebrate your successes modestly and learn from your failures objectively. This balanced mindset will carry you further than any get-rich-quick scheme. Finally, let us cover advanced techniques that seasoned pros use to gain an edge. One of these is multiple time frame analysis. By examining the same currency pair on daily, 4-hour, and 15-minute charts, you align your trades with the overarching trend and choose optimal entry points. Another is order flow analysis, which looks at the actual buy and sell orders in the market to predict short-term moves. While this requires specialized tools and a deeper understanding of market microstructure, it can provide valuable insights for high-frequency traders. Incorporate algorithmic trading if you are comfortable with coding or ready to learn. Automated systems execute trades based on predefined rules without emotion. You can backtest these systems on historical data to evaluate their performance before risking real capital. Start small and gradually increase your size as you verify the strategy's robustness. Trading Forex like a pro is a journey of continuous improvement. By combining a disciplined mindset, a well-structured plan, solid technical and fundamental analysis, rigorous risk management, and ongoing education, you position yourself for consistent success. Remember, every pro was once a beginner who committed to learning and growing step by step. If you found these insights valuable and you are ready to take your Forex trading to the next level, head over to the full video on the channel for deeper explanations, live chart examples, and bonus tips you do not want to miss. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and join our community of traders who support and learn from each other. I cannot wait to see you inside and help you become the professional trader you aspire to be. Thank you for listening, and happy trading.